Hi everyone. So today we are going to discuss that why you should choose Vidya.com when you are planning to go abroad. We will be very specific and go point wise. What are our USPs? First of all, Vidya.com is a very old organization and it has a unique history and the director of Vidya.com, that is me, Ajita Sinha Roy. I am an academician of repute. I have been the principal of many reputed CBSE schools all around India, and till date I love counseling the students myself. So that's a very unique point of Vidya.com because nowhere I think you can find that. Next point is wherever you are, in whichever part of the country, even the remotest corner, we have our unique student portal through which, sitting at your home or sitting at your office or in the marketplace or when you are traveling, you can just do everything through our student portal. From the day you register till the day you reach the other country, everything is taken care of through that portal. You have a unique user ID and password through which you can enter your own portal and check your application and everything in whichever form it is. So that's a very unique point. Many consultancies have started this virtual sessions or something where they do webinars or they take the students, they do fairs. No, we don't stop there. Our thing starts there. We do a one-to-one unique session where I personally counsel the students till date. Initially we used to have every day, but after that it was becoming too much because so many students, and so we had made it into 3 days a week. And there the students can discuss whatever they want to. We have special breakout rooms where we conduct this one-to-one session. Second, why should you go through us? We don't charge anything from the student. Third, I can tell you that we never bother about what is our benefit, and when I am telling this, I actually mean it. Of course, we are business people. We do consider our business, but at the same time, I want all of us to be aligned in the same line of happiness, like me, the student and the parent. We should all be aligned in the same line of happiness. That means everyone should be contented and satisfied. I will just give you an example. Suppose a student wants to go for a technology program. Suppose he wants to do masters in computer science. So most of the time what it is done, what is more beneficial for the consultancies tell that to the student. Maybe where I get better remuneration from the universities and all. So I will not get into all the details, but we don't do that. Absolutely, we don't do that. We customize the program according to the student's budget, student's academics, the course which the student wants to go. If the course is better in a European country where the course fee is less, I will never tell the student, or neither my counselors will tell the students that you go to US because the course fee is more, so we get more benefit. So that's the way Vidya.com has worked for all these years, and we are still working. And regarding our students, we have students from remotest of Punjab. We have students from the remotest part of from Kerala, Telangana, Hyderabad. So we have students from the extreme northeast like Arunachal. So we even have students from Bangladesh, we have students at Nigeria, we have students from Sri Lanka. So we cover all the places. So why do they come to us? We are located, our headquarter is in the eastern part of India, that is in Kolkata or Calcutta, whatever you may call it. But we have counselors at many places all around the states. But all the processing and everything is done through a extremely skilled team from the head office, and I personally look after the applications till then. So these are the things which will really help you to get a professional help from Vidya.com. So I would request you to register. The registration link is given in the description box. And also you can visit our site, which is www.tsvidya.com, and check us. Thank you.